Hello friends, a very good morning and my hearty welcome to all of you. So this is video session number 53. So in this session, we are discussing a series of contents. In the first session, we have discussed goods and services, tax providers, GST network, and the powers and function. In this session, we are going to learn concepts based on the GST Suvidha providers, its framework. And of course, in the last class, we have discussed the functions of it. So let me straight away take you through to this session through the help of GST Suvidha. GST Suvidha means is nothing but GST Suvidha is an authorized intermediary services provided by a private agency that really helps all types of taxpayers to the entire India for the timely submission of these GST services. So let me explain through the help of the slide share here. GST Suvidha provider is considered as an enabler or authorized intermediary for businesses to access GST portal services. It helps to comply with the provisions of GST law through their GST software, applications, and APIs. Next, application programming interfaces. Just like ClearTax, GSP is a brainchild of Goods and Services Tax Network. In simple, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯರ್ಸು ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ. CGST ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, SGST ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ UT-GST ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ IGST ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು IT ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, GST Suvidha provider ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ GST Suvidha provider helps for all the taxpayers to pay the payment, to make the taxes payment at the regular time. It really makes the job of every taxpayers and the government much easier than the complications. Next, who is a registered, who is GST Suvidha provider? Definitely GST stands for GST Suvidha provider. A GSP enables a taxpayer to comply with all the procedural provisions of GST law through its web platform. ClearTax, an online tax filing platform, has been granted the status of GSP. GSP provides innovative methods or the means of an effective interactive platform for the taxpayers to access GST portal and its services ranging from registration and invoicing to completion of GST return filing. See, I have already explained you at the very beginning of this class. GST Suvidha provider is nothing but the services provided by the private agency. We are outsourcing the services of GST portal through private agencies. GST Suvidha is nothing but it is a kind of a software through the portal where all the taxpayer can easily file their payments, can easily make their payments. It makes the job of every SSI taxpayer to make easy payment without any confusions, without any complications. So GST Suvidha provider, it really facilitates and it really helps and makes the job easy here for the taxpayer to pay the taxes. So simply you just go to Google and just type the GST portal and you will get the GST portal. Through that you can definitely make the payment of taxes to both the state as well as central government, whatever you have made for a particular period of time. Next, let us know the concept and the framework of GST Suvidha provider. What is this all about and how does it work in the form of GST Suvidha provider? GST ecosystem is a platform approach for providing services to taxpayers. I have just told you that just like Google, how Google helps for the different browsers to access any informations for any kind of a field. Similarly, GST portal is also helps for all the taxpayers, especially the businessman who wants to pay the taxes. It's a platform through which you can make the taxes. Either it is a monthly basis or a quarterly basis or yearly basis, you can make payment of taxes. It's a portal. All GST system functionalities like registration entities, uploading of invoices, filing of returns will all be available through APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. So through the help of application programming interfaces that are available in GST portal, whatever you want, you can do that. For example, if I have a business, the business I can register and I can upload the invoices, whatever the purchases and sales are made, and whatever the returns that I have prepared, I can easily upload to the portal. So this portal would be supported by application programming interfaces that will be really very much helpful to all of us. So next one, let me go for the next one. GSTN network believes in creating an ecosystem of service providers, that is GST Suvidha provider. So providing innovative solutions through portal, mobile app, enriched API, either employs themselves or through its third-party partners for making filing of more easy and convenient to taxpayers. See, as I have already told you that the government of India came out this idea of helping and motivating all the taxpayers to pay the taxes easily without having to suffer any kind of compliances. It makes the job of every taxpayer easy, and within time they can make the payment. So the government of India has also came out with the portals, mobile apps also you can make the payment, and whatever you want, the information that you can also still you can make through the mobile apps also. Of course, this is a third party agency support, private agency which undertakes the job of, which really helps for all types of taxpayers and making the job of taxpayers easier and much better. Yes, GST network envisages a very important role of GSPs in making GST rollout easy and convenient for taxpayers. I have already told you the basic aim and the job of GST Suvidha provider is to make the job of every assessee easier without any complication. They can make the taxes. So these are the points I just wanted to tell in this class I have covered. So meaning of GST Suvidha provider, and the various concept and the framework of GST Suvidha provided, all these things I have discussed. Students, if at all, if you have any kind of clarifications, definitely you can feel free to ask me. You can post